Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor of Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is functions and competencies of an entrepreneur in entrepreneur portfolio in food and biotechnology department. Now let's start the topic. First of all, who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is someone who establishes a new entity to offer a new or existing product or service into a new or existing market, whether it is for a profitable or non profitable outcome. An entrepreneur is one who always searches for changes, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. Examples of some famous entrepreneurs are Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Bill Gates. Then, functions of an entrepreneur. Personal initiative. An entrepreneur who has strong personal initiative is able to act immediately on available opportunities and choose best strategy when he faces a problem. Then, initiative allows an entrepreneur to be an alert and proactive. Then persuasion. Entrepreneur is persuasive and will be able to persuade his customers to buy his product or services. He has to persuade many people who have an impact on his business, such as staff, customers, suppliers, and financial institutions. Identify opportunities. It grabs or sees opportunities continuously to make sure that this business sustains for a long time in the industry. It focuses, identifies, and exploits business opportunities, maximizes his thinking capacity by finding solutions to problems faced by community, and who is successful with be confident that there is a business opportunity behind every problem. Then feasibility study. Feasibility study is able to seek information, that is, he has done some research to obtain information and receive feedback from customers in order to provide a good product or service that can gain customer satisfaction and acceptance. Then planning. For an entrepreneur, for arranging a business strategies to achieve business goals, he or she always focuses on the future and is sensitive towards any change that occur. He or she not to be greedy or slow in reacting when a problem emerges. If he does not have expertise in making decisions, he will consider sourcing skilled expertise from outside the company. Then the entrepreneur must be a risk bearer. He or she should necessarily act as a risk bearing agent of production, since he has to handle or a greater amount of uncertainties in a business. Risk due to the possibility of changes in the taste of customers, change in fashion, and technique of production cannot be insecure. Then decision making. An entrepreneur has to decide the nature and type of the goods to be produced, the size of the business, its location, technique of production, and types of the employees, etc. Then competencies of successful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurial competencies refer to the key characteristics possessed by successful entrepreneurs in performing entrepreneurial functions effectively. These are personal initiative, seize opportunities, endurance, information seeker, high work quality, commitment towards work agreement. Then personal initiative. An entrepreneur who has strong personal initiative is able to act immediately on available opportunities and choose best strategy when he face a problem. Initiative allows an entrepreneur to be alert and proactive. For example, does things before being asked or complied by the situation. Then seize opportunity. Entrepreneur grabs or seizes opportunities continuously to make sure that his business sustains for a long time in the industry, focuses, identifies, and exploits business opportunities. It maximizes his thinking capacity by finding solutions to problems faced by the community. For example, seize unusual opportunities to obtain financing, equipment, land, workspace, or assistance. Then endurance has to face various barriers and problems before achieving success. then needs to have great strength and courage within him, strong enough to face problems and barriers courageously. He would never give up accomplishing his vision and tries to deal with barriers that block his path to achieving success. Faces various problems and risks, for example, increase in the cost of raw materials and decrease in demand for his products. Then information seeker. A successful entrepreneur is able to seek information, that is, he has done some research to obtain information and receive feedback from customer in order to provide a good product or service that can gain customer satisfaction and acceptance. For example, do a personal research on how to provide a product or service. High quality, high work quality. Places care on quality and can be seen as having the urge to sell or produce products of high quality. He always makes a comparison of his work quality with those of others to make sure his products are always better. The continuous production of quality products and service will determine the customer's faithfulness, commitment, and satisfaction. Products of high quality will bring profitable returns to an entrepreneur as it ensures the faith of customers towards the product. For example, states a desire to produce or sell a top or better quality products and services. Commitment towards work agreement. Entrepreneur devotes total commitment to the venture. This commitment helps the entrepreneur to rectify mistakes and overcome obstacles which threaten business operation. His commitment to ideas and ventures determine how successful those ventures ultimately become. For example, it makes a personal sacrifice or expend extraordinary efforts to complete a job. Then conclusion. Basically, entrepreneurs are the doers, not the thinkers. They are born, not made by anyone. They are always inventors. They invent always. They basically always inventing something. And that is the idea, their business idea. Then ignorance or bliss. Extremely risk takers, work hard to get noticed and seek success but experience high failure rates. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.